your page that is called contact. Now if you go to pages and you pull up contact us, you're going to see the short code is embedded in that page, which gives us the form for you to fill out. This is the actual code right here. So that's the reason why you have this form built in right here. All right. So with your plugins, you can use them to enhance the site. For example, if you wanted to have like a chat area in your blog, you can also look for a plugin that's called chat, and you could put that also in your blog. Your users, these are all the people that you're going to give access to your site. For example, it has different levels. You can change it to admin, support, and if you want somebody to just be, for example, a member or something like that, that actually goes on the front, this is where you're going to add the new members. So if you click add new, you're going to have to determine what level of access to the site that you're going to give them. So for example, if it's just a subscriber, an author, which is a person that just minor updates, if they're going to be an editor, person who does the HTML, CSS, or administrator, which is you, then you'll go ahead and do it like that. But you don't want, I'm not going to add any new users. Your tools, your available tools, this import and export right here, this is what you're going to use to import either files to your site or export the site. Import the site to a different hosting and also export. So you're going to basically use this when you're ready to do a move, okay? Your revolution slider, we went over this. I think this was one of the last thing that we went over on the site. With the revolution slider, that is how you have slides in your home page and your About Us page. So when we click on About Us, you're going to see that you have the slider that's in there. Now you can place a slider wherever you want it to go. Alright? So this slider right here was done because if you go to here, you only have two sliders, one on the home page and one on your About Us page. So if I hit update, like edit slider on this one, you'll see that the slides for the About Us page will actually be in this one. See the name of the slider, About Us. So you're telling it where you want it to go. Okay? And then you can add or remove slides when you click edit slides. I'm not going to mess with that because it's there. Now this is a very good tool to have. It's called Visual Form Builder Pro. For example, if you want to create a form in any of your pages, once you create the form, you're going to click add new, and you're going to call the form wherever you want it. Say it's a subscription form, you're going to name it, you're going to put the name of your company, the email that you want them to send the form to reply to, the email, the name of the subject, and who you're going to email it to. And then once you click create form, it's going to give you all the different drop down tabs and places that you want them to fill out on it. So once you take that, you're going to take the short code, stick it in your page, and once they click on that part of the page, which will be a hyperlink, the form will pop out. You can have it pop out in a window by itself, or take them to a page that you have linked, and they'll be able to fill it out and you'll receive the information. So that's what Visual Form Builder is. So let's collapse this menu. Hold on 1 minute. Collapse this menu, and then you can open it back up if you don't want to see it. And you could access many of the things that I went through just by being on the top. If you're on a page and you want to edit page, you can edit it from here. You can add a new page from here. And you can do basically many little things. Visual Form Builder, you can input the visual form, add a new form, and put it in the page right here. You can log out right here. And this is basically how you're going to update your site. It's not a lot of stuff on your site to update. It actually, your site is very, what I would call, user friendly. So if you have any questions, you know my number, and you also have my email. I'm going to email these videos to you also. So I do appreciate the opportunity that I had to work with you, and I thank you also for giving us the opportunity to help you to create such a wonderful site. And thanks once again. My name is Mark Christopher, and have a good day.